Hi YouTube family, hope all you are doing well and welcome to Tech1 channel one again. Today I am showing you how to use Excel basic formula and functions part 2, in which you can use the functions and formulas in day-to-day work. So today we will be learning Len function. Let me brief you about that functions. So the first function will be using Len. Whenever you want to know the number of characters in certain cells, len is the function to use. Then second function is concatenate. I already made a video on that. In case you want to take values from two or more cells and combine them into one cell, use the concatenate function or concatenate operator. Third one is today and now. To see the current date and time whenever you open your worksheet without having a manual update it only daily basis, use either. Then fourth one is COUNTA. While count function deals only those functions that contains number, Excel count functions counts all cells that are not blank, whether they contain numbers, date, time, text, logical value of true and false, error or empty text strings. And the last one is left and right. The Microsoft Excel left and right functions allow you to extract substrings from a string starting from the left or right. The left and right function is a built-in function in Excel that is categorized as a string text function. It can be used as a worksheet function and a VBA function in Excel. So this much formula I will be showing you how to use it. But before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a red color icon on the bottom of this video, so click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well for the daily update of my videos, so you never miss an update of my new videos and you can learn more and more. Also, if you want any particulars videos to be made, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make that video for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video with your friends and colleagues. So before wasting any further time, let me take you to the sheet that we will be using for today. So this is the sheet that we will be using. The first function is called len. So sometimes we just need to count the row. Suppose I just want to count the word in column B. So at the moment I have column A and B. In column A I have serial number, and in column B I have product name. So if I want to count the number of the name of the product, then what I have to, I can't manually go and check that words and write it. So the len function we will be using for that. So how to use the len function? So you just need to do is equal to, then type len len, then create a bracket, go to the row where you want to count the word. Okay, so I go to B2, then close the bracket. See, so the mouse word contains 5 characters. If I just copy and paste this formula, so for copy and paste you can select and press Ctrl D, then it got automatically copy paste. So in keyboard it's have 8, in dice it's have 4, chemicals 9, M85. So this way you can use the len function. It is a very easy and good function if provided by MS Office. So the next function that we'll be using is concatenate. So concatenate is a function which merges the two columns or two words into one. So at the moment I have company name and product. So if I want to add both of the thing into one row, what I have to do, I can't copy and paste this here. manually. It will take long time for me. So what I will do, I will put a space here, then put enter, because if I use the concatenate function, this both column got merged and there will be no space in between. So I just want to put a space in between, so I put the blank space in column D. Then what I did, I just press is equal to, then type concatenate, create a bracket, then click on the first word that you want to put, then click on comma. I record a space, so I will be clicking D, then comma, and the last one C, and bracket over. See, the both the names got merged. So the company name eyeball and the product name mouse got merged, and I can copy and paste the same, so I can get all the data as per my need. This is a very simple function that you can use. Then the third function is called today and now. So today we can use today's date while using this function, and now we can use the exit date and time when the sheet got open. So sometimes there we open a sheet several times in time. We just want to put a time and date. So suppose I have 10 people staff, and the file got open and closed near about 10 to 20 times. The same file got 10 to 20 times open and closed, and I just want the exact date and time when it got printed. So I can use this function for that. So for today we will be using is equal to, write today, create a bracket and close it. We don't have to put anything in between two brackets, and click enter. So I got the date as 28th July 2018, which is correct. Then for now function, click is equal to, type now and do the same thing, create a bracket and close it. So you can see it 28 July 2018 with the time of 1:15 AM. So let's wait for time to change. So it will take only 1 minute, so we can have an idea if we update the formula or anyone close the file, then the time got changed or not. It's 1:15 AM. It's about to change now. Three, two, one, change. So if I change it, it's got changed automatically. I haven't do anything, I just check the formula and enter it. So this way, if the file got closed and reopen it again, the exact time and the date will be appear at the bottom or at the start of the document, and whenever you get the printout, you know that on which time and which date this printout got print. So this way you can use the today and now formula. The fourth one that we are using is COUNTA. Remember count function that I teach you in the first video? This is the same thing, but what if I have spelling in between? So if I put mouse 5, keyboard 10, USB 20, pen drive 25, headphone 30, mic motherboard 35, speaker 50. In some of the cases, if I want to total up, so it will be not total up. So what I have to do, I need to use a COUNTA function into bracket, then select the row that you want to from which you want detail. So I just select C2 to C8 and click OK. There are 7 items in here, so you got 7. Then the last function we will be using is left and right. So left and right is a function from which you can extract the name of the person or the surname from the database. So if any person name is suppose Ashraf Khan Durrani, okay, so Ashraf, I just want to split up Ashraf Khan and surname. So what I can do, I can use the left and right formula, because the name is given in a one row. I just want to split out into a different row. So for example, if I want to split out this, what I just require all, so the last 3 digit I just so last 3 word I only require in column C. So what I can do is equal to left into bracket select, then count the number. So I require 3, the last 3 word, bracket over. You see, so the first 3, so this is the left function and the right function. So the left function is eyeball, so it's 3, same as the right one. See, if I select right, bracket comma 3 bracket over, see, now it's work. I just wrong it namely. So this is the left function, and from which you can get the first part, because the name starts from left hand side. So the first 3 letters I got as eyeball, so IBA, Zebron is ZEB, Scandis is SCA, then AMD is the full name, so AMD, Sony means Son, SON, and if I write if I use the right function, then it will come as a old ALL ICS this way. So these are the 5 functions that we can use in MS Office Excel. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well, so you never miss an update. Also don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends and colleagues, so they can get this things from Excel and use their things in day-to-day work. So guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you require any videos to be made, please let me know in the comment section, and I can make this video for you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Shabba khair.